Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be talking on artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI. It's one of the most talked about technologies of our time. But what exactly is it? In just 2 minutes, let's break down what AI really means, how it works, and why it's changing everything around us. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can think and learn like humans, or at least try to. Instead of being programmed with exact instructions, AI systems learn from data. They recognize patterns, make predictions, and improve over time. When you ask Siri a question, or when Netflix suggests your next show, that's AI in action. Most AI today is called narrow AI, designed to do one task really well, like translating text or identifying photos. But researchers dream of general AI, a system that can understand, reason, and adapt like a human brain. We're not there yet, but every step, from self-driving cars to smart chatbots, brings us closer. AI helps doctors detect diseases earlier, powers smart cities, and even supports creativity, writing music, art, and stories. It's transforming how we live, work, and learn every single day. So next time you use your phone or browse the web, remember, AI is already here, quietly shaping the world around you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.